These are not yours. This is our third turkey egg this week. Holy cow. You're doing good, little girl. Hey, hi, hello, welcome to Compound Zoo. Welcome if you are new. I am Becca. Welcome to my zoo. Currently in my garage. It's currently really dirty. If you guys had been following along, I think it was some vlogs like back around Vlogmas time. My entire downstairs flooded, and then like they had to unpack, or yeah, they had to pack up all my house, and then they ended up just putting everything in my garage. We're now in March. I haven't cleaned the garage yet, so that's why it's really messy. But since there's been cleaning, we're gonna start with my washer. And then while the washer is deep cleaning and doing its thing, we're going to clean the rest of the house. We're going to start with the kitchen today and some other things. So let's go ahead and let's get the washer deep cleaned. Okay, so to deep clean the washer, you're going to need baking soda, some water, some thieves oil, a scrubby toothbrush, some lemon essential oil, and a rag. Yeah, y'all, this is gross. So a lot of the dirt and stuff on the rubber gasket was there when we bought the house. The washer came with the house, so we're kind of SOL. So to make the mixture, you need 2 parts water to 1 part baking soda, and then you're going to mix this all up. And then you're going to add some of your essential oils. I did a blend of homemade thieves and some lemon essential oil to help with the degreaser and sanitization. And this just smells so good, but you guys can really just use any sort of essential oils that you have. And now just to slather everything all over the drum, I'm just kind of flinging it in there and then taking the rag and like scrubbing the drum itself. Really should get in here with the toothbrush, but I didn't think about that at this point in time. We're just gonna sit here and dump and scrub and dump and scrub until I get all sections of the drum clean. Taking my toothbrush, I am scrubbing in between the rubber gaskets where the seals meet, which is actually where all the hair and dirt and water and all that stuff get trapped, which is what makes your washer smell. And I'm going to scrub the door to get all this hair off. Y'all, we live on a farm. We have a bunch of animals, so hay and dirt and animal hair kind of just gets stuck on everything. So doing this deep cleaning process is really helpful in keeping our washer healthy. So while everything sits and does its like cleaning magic before I run the cycle, I'm going to show you guys the nastiest part of cleaning a washer. And this is one of the like key components to what keeps clothes smelling disgusting, especially if you have a front loader. I didn't know you're supposed to do this until like I bought my own house. I was like, why the hell is my washer always stinky? So I'm going to show you guys the nastiest part of having a front loader. Okay, so we have an LG direct drive, nothing fancy. It's not an HE, I don't think. It came with the house, so nothing fancy. But on the front is this thing. This is like a lint trap. All right, so door pops off. And then you have this thing, which is where everything drains and collects. And you need a bucket underneath it. I have this. I don't think this is big enough. So we're going to see what happens. Yeah, see, it's already overflowing. Eep! Alright, so clearly you need a big bucket because it kind of just goes everywhere. But y'all, do you see how nasty that is? This is from all the hair, the muck, the dirt, the detergent from clothes. This is just gross. This is one of the key components on what keeps your washer really disgusting and yuck. So you just unscrew this lint trap, take all the dirt out. And like if you look, like that's not even a lot of hair. It collects all the smells. So it's really nasty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub it. So I'm just taking that toothbrush again and the same baking soda paste mixture. I am scrubbing the lint trap. I'm scrubbing inside this little like lint hole thing to get all the dirt and nastiness out, and then just taking my rag, making sure I wipe all the baking soda out. So I'm just going to also go ahead, and while I'm waiting for the baking soda to do its thing, I am just going to scrub the front outer portion of our washer. And there we go. Everything is all set and it is doing its thing. Close it, set it on tub clean, and leave it go. So I've decided I want to start with deep cleaning, spring cleaning, Ostara cleaning, whatever. This area. This is our like downstairs living room craft area, like our little nerd housing area. So I'm gonna go ahead and deep clean down here first. Alright, so first things first, I always turn on my diffuser before I start cleaning, and this like cabinet thing I got for free off of one of the Buy Nothing sites, and it just holds our shoes, and that little like open area is to hold the kids' backpacks, some of my purses, and eventually this coat rack behind me is going to go, and that's where all that stuff is going to end up going. So I just have this like Peace and Home lavender scented disinfectant spray that I picked up from Walmart, and that's just what I use to clean everything because it just smells delicious. Now the fun part. I really, really hate going through everything and putting everything in its home. I feel like it would be so much easier to do this if, you know, my family just put all their shit away on their own. Like, why did we have this random jug of water? And yes, I am watching some cleaning motivation YouTube backgrounds. It just helps keep my motivation going because I like the clean house look when everything is done. So this is the kids' little like game station, and it is in dire need of a clean, mainly just because of all the dust. All right, y'all, look at this. This is so gross. So this is a shag rug that we keep in front of the kids' gaming station so they have something to lay on. I just got it off Amazon. All this dirt that came off that rug. It's really hard to actually vacuum this rug because it's like a shag carpety rug. And when I go to vacuum it, it gets sucked into my vacuum. So if anybody knows how to vacuum so I can get like all these little stupid grass pieces off, that'd be great. Alright, now to clean this side of the downstairs. This is where the crafting happens. This is my craft area, my kids' craft area, my spouse's craft area. Like, this is just where all the artistic-y stuff happens. Clearly, because there is a bunch of craft supplies all over the counter. So I am just picking up all the garbage that is all over the floor, some craft pieces I can throw away, and just reorganizing everything and making sure everything has a home. There's a lot of stuff that needs to get put away. Like you can see some of my finished products right there that I need to hang up on our walls. So I try to keep all my craft stuff in like one centralized area. Okay, so I'm going to take a quick break from filming my cleaning area just because it's going to get a little bit redundant. And I really don't want to make this video super long, and I know it's already super long. So I think I'm going to take a quick break. I'm going to get the Star altar set up. May or may not film that. I don't know. My altars are usually pretty personal, but since this is like the house altar, I also still don't know. I also kind of want to like take a break and do some crafts. But like my desk is still a mess from all my other crafts. But I think I'm just gonna take a quick break. I'm going to just revel in this moment of my boyfriend and my biological middle child. And just watch him teach him. Like it warms my heart to watch that because that is not his child. So it warms my heart to watch him interact with my kids as they are his kids. Yeah, so I'm rambling. I'm going to get some more cleaning done and then I'll check back in. Alright, so now that the tub cycle is done, it looks so much cleaner and it smells so much better. So the next step is to clean this thing out, which I actually cleaned this out not that long ago, but I think I'm just gonna go in here and just wipe everything out. Okay, so after I have it all cleaned out, I used a little bit of the baking soda mixture and just kind of like scrubbed around the gaskets and stuff. Now I'm going to pour just some white vinegar into the main section. That's going to disinfect the inside of the machine. And for added good measure, I'm going to add a scoop of baking soda in the drum as well. We're going to run a normal wash on as hot as it'll go. Unfortunately, it's going to rinse it in cold, but I really can't do anything about that. And let it do its thing. And then I'm going to clean that disgusting lint trap one more time, and then I'm ready to use my washer. Okay, so the next step in my deep cleaning of our downstairs is to do a deep clean of my diffuser. I use my diffuser every single day. I like the smell the diffuser puts out. It also puts me more in touch with like my green witchy side and my kitchen witch side, and I also just don't have a Scentsy plug down here. My Scentsy plugs are upstairs. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna walk you through cleaning a diffuser. All right, so first things first, always unplug your diffuser before doing this and dump out whatever water is still inside the drum. Fill it with a little bit of vinegar and plug it in for 3 to 5 minutes. After it's all done, you're going to take the diffuser and go dump it out and rinse it out. And then take some white vinegar either on a paper towel or a cotton swab and basically clean like all those little holes where the water and essential oils end up diffusing from. Dry it off, and then you're good to go. That's it. That is all you need to do, and you need to do this once a month. So we are putting some Lang Lang oil into our diffuser now. So there's 2 drops of this, and then we're also going to do 2 drops of rosemary and 2 drops of patchouli and 3 drops of sweet orange. This is just the scents that my middle child picked out for the day. And now we have our diffuser going again, and it is so delicious smelling, and I just love that it sits right by my front door because it's the first thing I smell when I walk in. So this area is actually a dresser that we got for free. My boyfriend found it on the side of the road, and we brought it home, painted it, changed out the doorknobs, and now it fits our decor. And just cleaning that off and getting everything all set up. And here we go, the final reveal of what the downstairs now looks like. It is so much cleaner and just feels so much, I don't know, more airy, more fit for spring. I don't know. I got my tier tray all set up, and I've got my diffusers going, and everything just, it all has a home. I may put a curtain over that area to cover like the mound of backpacks. So we've got this little side of the office area. This didn't really change much. I just put more stuff in the area. So I left some craft pieces still on my desk. These are the pieces that I am working on. We got the home altar set up for Ostara. So that's going to do it for spring cleaning of my downstairs, which is now really echoey. I don't know. I am so excited for the Ostara and spring equinox coming up, so there will definitely be a lot of spring cleaning videos. I am deep cleaning my entire house. Currently, as you guys are watching this video, I am working on deep cleaning my kitchen, but not my cupboards. That's going to be an entirely different subset of shit. But yeah, so we're spring cleaning the kitchen next, and then I think it's gonna be the kids' room. So if you guys like these kind of deep cleaning, home renovating videos, because we are doing some home renovations on the kids' bathroom coming up, be sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so it goes ding in your inbox every time we post. Follow me on Instagram at TheCompoundZoo, and you guys will see all our shenanigans behind the scenes, as well as tours of our adorable baby chicks. We are going to be hatching some turkeys soon. My kids lost the egg turners, so I gotta find that first. So stay tuned for all the awesome fun stuff coming up on the channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.